Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to unrestrict or restrict someone on Facebook, and all you have to do is to launch the Messenger application. And from here, you are going to tap on the three lines, and then you're going to tap on the gear icon. Going to scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Tap on it. Going to tap on restricted accounts. And then you're going to tap on the plus to add somebody who you do not like or who is bullying you on the Messenger application, and decide to choose, like I can decide to choose this person, and it's going to be added to the restricted accounts. If I wanted to remove the person because they have decided to apologize to us, we can tap on him and we can tap on this icon, and then we are going to tap on unrestrict, and from there he will be unrestricted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.